Hey, welcome back to 25 Days to Slay. If you are struggling with self-sabotage or self-destructive behavior and you want to up-level in the month of May, stay tuned because this video is for you. Today I'm sharing with you why thriving in a community can prevent self-sabotage, so stay tuned. Hey, I'm Angela, trauma healer and self-sabotage slayer. I help healers, soul-led coaches, and trauma coaches slay self-sabotage so they can feel worthy and deserving of success and happiness in all that they desire so that they can execute based on worthiness rather than fear or lack. Today we are talking about how to thrive in a community, and since I have you here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. That just helps me reach so many other people that may be potentially struggling with self-sabotage. Let's talk about why community matters. If you saw yesterday's video, you kind of have an idea as to why thriving in a community absolutely matters. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, I will link this for you, so go ahead and check out the playlist. I'm super excited about next week. If you don't know, we are having a masterclass 7 steps to slay doubt so that you can show up bigger, badder, and bolder online. So make sure that you check that out. That's down in the description. Why does thriving in a community matter to prevent self-sabotage? When you have people in your corner who genuinely support you, who genuinely want you to win, who you trust, who you like, you can lean on them. They will support you. They will guide you through whatever it is that you might be struggling with. Not only that, they will hold you accountable for your behaviors and your actions, which then will allow you to prevent self-sabotage. But not only that, let's say you do self-sabotage, you have someone to lean on or people to lean on so that you can get back up quicker. But let's say, for example, that your self-sabotaging habit actually has to do with running back to people that hurt you. When you have the right, genuine, supportive community, you can lean on them and go hang out with them and go have fun with them rather than going to that person that may have hurt you in the past. This is why friends and community is so critical to not only your healing journey, but also to the journey of undoing all of the sabotage. If you don't have a community, this is what I want you to do to start creating a community, because I know for me personally, building a community after healing from trauma created so much isolation and then of course shame. And so it has been a struggle for me to build a genuine and supportive community that I feel like I can rely on. And because of that, I feel like it is so important that you do build this, because I know what it's like to not have this. And so these are some of the steps that you can do to create a community that is genuine and supportive. Number 1 is go to networking events. You're a healer, you're a coach, and even if you're not and you come across this video, networking events means that these people are professionals. This means that potentially you might have the same or similar goals in mind, which means that they're going to be supportive. They're going to want you to win. There's not going to be a comparison game. They're going to be mostly healthy, not always, but mostly. And so you want to be around these kind of people. The reason why you also want to be around these kinds of people is because they're probably essentially making more money and reaching goals, and that means that they are going to help you get there because you are who you surround yourself with. The second thing I want you to do is I want you to head to Facebook groups and build or connect into these communities. And they might be for you local, but at least you have something virtually that you may potentially create real and lasting friendships with, which is a beautiful thing. If you need a community, make sure you check out the description below because my community is available. It is called Worthy and Deserving Healers. If this resonates for you, make sure you check that out below. And the third thing that you want to do to create a community and genuine relationships is for you to be a good friend. you want to be a good friend and check in and be that person that you want other people to be for you, and also to do it for yourself. When you are a good friend, then other people will want to be around you. Now, that doesn't mean get taken advantage of by any means. Please do not do that. But it does mean that you are going to attract other people that are also good friends, that are supportive, that are genuine, that want to see you win. And so what happens is you will eventually attract that community that you are probably looking for. Again, when you do this, you are held accountable for your actions and for your behaviors. You are less likely to sabotage when you have people in your corner that are supportive and want to see you win. And especially if your go-to thing is running to people that you know that are not good for you, and you have these people in your corner, you know that you can go to them when you are having that addiction that needs to be met, because that's exactly what sabotage feels like, especially when you're going to run to people that you know are not good for you. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and check out that masterclass for 7 steps to slay doubt, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.